Okay, YouTube, we on our way. Let's go make this quick money, man. Make this quick money real quick. Go install a serpentine belt and an AC belt on a Infiniti, I think a G35, something like that. I don't know. But yeah. Alright, YouTube. This Infiniti G35, I guess. Work on. I gotta wait on fam to come on now. Hate that it's fucking outside, but hey, ain't gonna take me long. Alright, YouTube. These belts, these pulleys, man. Tension pulleys. It's a bolt at the bottom underneath it. You gotta loosen them up in order to move the pulleys. So I'm about to hurry up and do this because I'm colder than Jesus out here. I ain't even bring out the jacket either. Alright, YouTube, I don't feel like popping this hood, but shit, we done. Call him, tell him it's a wrap. Yep.